I'm Cindy Folk, and I'm the Program Leader for Agriculture and Natural Resources Extension here at Central State University. I'm very excited to tell you about the Ohio Land Grant Hemp Conference. So the Hemp Conference is for anyone who's interested in growing hemp, wants to learn more about how hemp is grown and some of the things that you need to do for hemp. And we'll have speakers talking about research that's being done and different information about hemp. We're also going to have folks that supply seeds, irrigation, and other materials needed for growing hemp. So again, it's going to be March 5th and 6th. For more information, visit Central State University Extension. Our website is centralstate.edu/CSU Extension. Thanks, and we hope to see you at the virtual conference.